Today we discuss about liquid crystals. What are liquid crystals? Liquid crystals are actually the substances which are having properties in between a crystal and a liquid. The properties are solid and liquid and properties. Crystal crystal lattice on the 3D lattice on the well oriented isotropic anisotropic the crystal property. At the same time, liquid lattice proper orientation. See, at the same time, if you take a liquid crystal have no lattice. Lattice ഉണ്ടാവാറില്ല. ചില കേസിൽ ഒരു one-dimensional, two-dimensional lattice ഉണ്ടാവാം. Actually, they come under the class of a fluid and they are anisotropic in nature. Liquid crystals are actually mesophase. The properties are in between a crystal and a liquid, and such a substance is known as a liquid crystal. We have certain example for liquid crystal. This compound para-azoxyanisole. This compound is para-azoxyanisole. This structure is azoxy, and this molecule benzene with this structure is called anisole. Azoxy group in the para position anisole on the turn, that's why it is called para-azoxyanisole. And you have some other example, para-azoxyphenetol. Phenetol means OCH3 OCH2H5. Ethyl group on the phenetol. And similarly, you have N-para-methoxy benzylidine para-butyl anidine. Then ethyl para-azoxybenzoate. Then cholesterol acetate, cholesterol benzoate. These are certain examples for liquid crystals. Now we'll discuss about classification of liquid crystals. The first class of liquid crystals are called nematic phase or nematic liquid crystals. The word nematic is derived from the Greek word for thread-like structure. So, thread-like structure and it is the only liquid crystal phase with a no long-range translation order, and preferred orientation is denoted by the director N. This is the direction of orientation. The thread-like structure when seen under it has a thread-like structure when seen under polarizing microscope. Microscope is okay, so these are having a thread-like structure. That's why they are called nematic phase or nematic liquid crystals. Then you have smectic phase, and they are one-dimensional translation. The word smectic is derived from the Greek word for soap. Liquid-like motion of the rods in each layer. No correlation of the molecular position from one layer to the next. The layers can easily slide. Smectic are of different types like smectic A, smectic C, like that. In smectic A phase, molecules tend to be perpendicular to the smectic layers. In smectic C phase, the molecules in the layers are parallel and tilted in arrangement with respect to the normal of the layers by a tilt angle theta. Particles in the orientation. Then the third type is called cholesteric phase or chiral phase. Then molecules have no symmetrical carbon atoms, thus loss mirror symmetry. Shows a helical structure. In general, the helical pitch of cholesteric liquid crystal is in the order of visible light wavelength, about a few hundred nanometer. So shows a different color. So these are the three different classes of liquid crystals. Then applications. The main application is in LCDs. LCD main place LCD mobile screen main liquid crystal. So liquid crystal There is more to build an LCD than simply creating a sheet of liquid crystal. The combination of 4 facts makes LCD possible. Light can be polarized. Liquid crystal can transmit and change polarized light. The structure of liquid crystals can be changed by electric current. There are transparent substances that can be conduct electricity. What is the main application of a liquid crystal?